Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys display and brightness setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we on guys reading mode in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your reading mode in your Oppo phone device, so how can you on it? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Friends, now let's see how can we on guys Oppo phone reading mode and how can we use it. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting. So friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness setting. Then guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone eye comfort setting means guys, and guys you can on guys your reading mode from here. After on reading mode guys, screen color temperature guys, you can adjust according to yourself. You want to increase and guys you want to decrease, you can increase and decrease from here. And when display effect guys, you want to change into color and guys you want to change into black and white. So friends, you can see this eye comfort mode blue right from the screen and prevent eye strain. So like that guys, you can on guys your reading mode setting guys. After reading mode guys, you can see skin color will yellow light. So like that guys, you can on guys your reading mode setting guys, and you can use it. So bye guys.